Question E, create a list which displays the number of items each designer has that is the colour blue. And again, we go back to our original pivot table, select it, and it brings up our values. Remove any values and we've got our empty shell again, so we can drop in anything that we like. And in this case, we're looking for the number of items each designer. So let's drop in designer somewhere. Again, if we don't want to put it there, we can put it there as well. Let's put designer there. Then it wants the color blue, so let's start with the colors in general. And again, if you're confused with this, you actually have to go back and familiarize yourself with the table. It might make it easy. So we've got all their colors there, prices, etc. There we are. And we want to know how many black garments were sold by each individual designer. So let's pick up the item, drop it in, and there we are. So McQueen is 3 blacks, Miyake 3, Mulberry 2, etc. Except for the question wants us to find blue only. So if you look at the heading or the title for this table, for this component of the table, color, you can select that and it gives you the additional option of removing anything that you don't want. So let's lose blank, red, green, black, and press OK, and there we get our totals. Now this one wants to create a bar chart with labels to display the results. Highlight the entire table, copy, find a nice empty paddock to paste it in, such as there, and we can do a chart, but this time we don't want the headings and we don't want the grand totals, so we only need that information, our designers and how many garments they've sold. And we go to insert and select, did it say what we wanted? I can't remember. Create a bar chart. It did. So create a bar chart, insert a bar chart, 3D, sounds nice. And there it is there. Again, remember we can manipulate this. I might want to lose that because it's not doing anything nice for us. I might want to double click on the background and change the color of it to blue. Oh, yeah. Perhaps it's a bit clearer. Can also change that little white border as well. It's always the same process. You select the area, select what you want, and then close and OK. Yep. Remember, if I want to change one individual component, click on once, it selects all of the bars. Click on again, and we've just got our individual bar, and then you can change it. There we are, like that. Okay, that's questions E and F. So you'll notice with these questions they're interlinked, which means unless you can do E, you can't do F.